Which ads are more effective? Organic or paid? It really depends on what your end goal is. If you are trying to get into dropshipping and you want to make money fast, then you should get into paid ads immediately. But if you are trying to build something more established, long-term, and a forever brand, then I highly recommend utilizing both organic and paid. Leveraging paid ads is really a good way to test fast and get immediate results. Organic, on the other hand, takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, and you cannot test it as fast as the paid ads. Now the question remains, how can I run my first successful ad? If you want to get the best results from your paid ads, then visit adnosort.com and search for your product. It will show you all the active ads that are currently running for that particular product, and you will also see which ones are most successful. And then you can take amazing ideas and inspirations from those ads and replicate in your own way to get the best results out of it.